Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this vanity set, and first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this vanity set, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. As you can see, there are a lot of parts here, and so the best way to prepare to assemble this vanity set is to organize and group together parts that are similar in size. Parts that are similar in size typically get used during the same step, so in order to minimize the overwhelm, organize in this way so that you can identify parts a bit easier and make the overall assembly process more efficient. Here's the pre-organized pack of hardware. This is a major plus because you won't have to do any organizing yourself, making the assembly process more efficient. And here's the instruction manual. Inside, you can see a full list of all the hardware and an exploded illustration of the vanity marking each part. They also use these enlarged illustrations to help guide the assembly. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your vanity, one tip for properly assembling this vanity is to build as much of it as you can on an elevated work table like I'm doing here. Believe it or not, much of the assembly can be completed on a table like this, without you having to kneel and be hunched over for an extended period. Now eventually, you will have to finish the assembly on the ground, but before then, you should anticipate using an elevated work area to help make the assembly process much smoother and more comfortable. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the vanity, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid damaging the parts or stripping the screws. One last tip for a successful assembly is to make sure to use extreme caution when mounting the mirror onto the vanity top. Having two people for this particular step is ideal, but if you don't have the help of another person, then just make sure the mirror is fully set onto the cam screws before fastening the cam locks. Now, to quickly review this vanity set, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this vanity is super charming and would be a fantastic addition to your beauty routine before stepping out. First up, let's talk storage. This vanity boasts 5 spacious drawers and 3 open shelves, giving you plenty of room to organize all your beauty supplies. You can add cute baskets or organizers on the shelves for extra storage, and the left drawer is perfect for keeping your essentials within easy reach. So whether it's your skincare products, cosmetics, or jewelry, everything has its place. And the crystal drawer pulls with gold accents add a touch of elegance and glam to the overall set, making it a statement piece in any room. Next, we have the built-in 3-color LED lights in the mirror. Unlike ordinary bulbs, this light is safer and offers 3 modes: warm light, natural light, and white light. It's perfect for different occasions and makeup needs, whether you're getting ready for work, a date night, or a day at the studio. And changing the lighting is a breeze with the high-sensitivity smart sensor switch. Just lightly touch the center switch to change the mode or press it for an extended period to adjust the brightness. And let's not forget about comfort. The included stool is padded with a sponge-like material, making it super comfy to sit on. It has just the right height and cushioning to provide a relaxing makeup experience. Plus, it fits perfectly under the vanity when your get-ready session is complete, saving you floor space. Not to mention, you can utilize this piece as a mini desk when not using it for makeup. Lastly, this vanity set is built to last. Made from durable, engineered wood, it offers a sturdy structure that ensures the stability of both the table and the stool, so you can trust this set to be a reliable part of your beauty routine for years to come. Now, the assembly process took just under 3 hours, from unboxing to completion, using an electric drill. However, if you're not comfortable with power tools, a drill is not necessary for assembly. For the average person, assembly typically takes between 3 to 5 hours. However, this time frame can vary based on your skill level, experience, and the tools at your disposal. The instruction manual is quite straightforward and the hardware arrives pre-organized, so you won't need to sort or arrange anything yourself before assembly. Overall, I'm impressed with the overall quality and functionality of this vanity set. With ample storage, versatile lighting, and a comfy stool, it's designed to make looking your best convenient and more enjoyable, so I would highly recommend it if you're looking to elevate your get-ready station with a touch of glam. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.